All right, guys, so we made it here in the room. Very nice room. It has a small flat screen TV. There's 2 beds, nightstand, fridge, and of course some beverages. So I'm so thirsty right now. I'm gonna drink some water. Very nice. There's some closet in there. And here's our shower. We have a rain shower there. There's a toilet bowl. And there's another bowl, but I'm not sure what is this for. And then there's a towel rack. Towel, blow dryer, mirror, soap. We have a sponge. I think that's a shower cup. Paper tissue cups. There's a Dove soap in there. Toilet paper. There's some kind of a garbage bag. Good morning, guys. We are here in Padua, Italy, and it's early in the morning. It's about 8, almost 8:30 in the morning. We are heading out for breakfast, and then we'll meet our friend Life, so he can give us a tour. It's about 30 minutes from Venice. We were at Venice yesterday. We had a great tour. It was fun. We were a little bit tired because we were bringing our backpack and it's a little bit heavy, and walking around that town it can be so tiring because of the luggages that we were bringing with us. But anyway, we had so much fun. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful day. It was perfect. It's about 75 degrees, so it was just perfect. And today it's cloudy, around 65 degrees today, but it's still warm compared to the US. I am wearing shorts right now, as you can see. Life is gonna give us a tour today. I will see you guys later. I'll show you guys what we're doing. Bye.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel.
You know what makes it seem really nice? The dark, contrasting colors, right? And then the low lighting. That makes it seem really high quality.
I guess we are in a round right now with Life and my son.
Going on to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life.
Hey guys, we are here in Prato della Valle. It's a very nice place where Riz life is.
There are 78 statues
Wow,
all over the square.
78 statues.
Yeah, like
So there are 78 statues all over on this area. The bells are ringing, guys. Can you hear that?
that area serves
Uh-huh.
also the picnic area. You can
For public.
Yeah, for public.
Okay. Picture, picture. It's waterproof, it's gonna float. Unreal. Look at that church.
It's also a miracle saint.
So this is
Later,
a Saint
I will
Anthony
show you
church,
the
guys.
tomb, and there's a lot of pictures of the people. Okay. They preserve the teeth, the tongue of St.
Kala ko bawang camera.
Body parts niya.
Si Bidyo.
The tongue.
Ha?
Tongue.
Utang niya. Oh.
Statue with St. Anthony.
Smelling the incense.
Yeah. In the US, there's a pull-in bear.
No,
It's like a cheap item, yung mga,
ganon.
yeah, like Zara, like
Mhm.
H&M, yung mga cup brand.
Kabra niya yan. Alright guys, we are here in Padua. It's the main street and this is the main downtown here in Padua. And this is where the shopping center is. All the stuff that is happening during the day and during the night.